This is going to be the second part of the video that I did today previously, which was about making videos 100%, creating full header videos in Bootstrap Studio. The chap that asked the question originally was asking also about how to make videos autoplay on a website, and also about how to get buttons to work and that on a site as well. Okay, so all you would do for this is, if I just go in there now, with the zoom, you should be able to see that. This is very easy. You just put a question mark, autoplay equals 1. Okay, so you can see that, and then you just apply that. Okay, I'll just take mute off mine. Right, so they should autoplay. And as you can see, that's going around, and which is, yeah, so you can see that's autoplaying. So that's all the code that is for there. Or question mark autoplay equals 1. Okay, so that's pretty easy. I'll just mute that again. Inadvisable to do so unless you know who your target audience is, but I'm only showing how things are done, you know. That's whatever, each to their own. Anyway, so how to get the buttons in on the video. So for example, somewhere around on the video, a video, of course, wherever yours, will be something different. Okay, so we go to style. I'll tell you what, I'll go back to custom code. There's a little bit of tricky code in there if you don't know. Sometimes Bootstrap does my head in, it really does. I just can't get a hold of the scroll bar thing. Okay, so now that's come up. Right, UL, close that, / UL, and that's the closing tag. Okay, now in between that you can have lists. This is an unordered list. UL stands for unordered list. LI stands for just list. Okay, so put that there, and the closing bracket of that list. Okay, and we'll put another one in as well. Okay, and I'll show you this in Zoom as well, so you can follow along, or if you want to, list. Okay, so if you see that, this is what I'm doing. There's a UL, and the UL wraps the list up. Okay, so we'll just put in something like homepage there, and this of course can be anything you want. Services. Okay, and then apply, and I'll just bring that out. Okay, so you can probably see that there, homepage and services on the top left there. Okay, but we want it actually inside the video. So we'll go to styles. Okay, list is already an element in an HTML, so you don't have to put an ID or a class or anything like that. A list will work anyway. LI. Okay. Oh dear, it's having a 1. So okay, the list, what we could do is we could put that as position absolute. Okay, position or could relative, maybe it would be better. Relative. Okay, position relative, left, and we could say 60%. Okay, so as you can see there, now the home page and services have gone 60%. All right, So you could put top, and you could put something like 140 pixels. Okay, I don't know if you can see that there, but that's gone in there. Okay, see this move, it'll move down. Yeah, see, there's a home page and services. Of course, if I just put them in a different color, you might be able to see them better. I'm not actually, because I'm going to put them as an anchor tag. Okay, so you'll see that in a minute. Like sort of in the if you left them as a default, they would like sort of just follow each other like that. But you probably want them in a line. So what we do there is we put in display. Okay, display in line. All right. Okay, so now they'll be in line, and that there you are. See, home page and services in a line. Okay, right. So we'll go back to custom code. Okay, I know this might take a little bit to sink in, but never mind. So we just go. I'll tell you what. I'll just put the zoom in there for you so you can see everything that I'm doing. href. Okay, equals, and you can just put a hash in there because it's not going to go anywhere at the moment. But if this was live, for example, you could put index.html. Okay, so, and to close that, we would just put in /a and then close that off. Okay, so that when you go on there, okay, I'll just apply that. There. See, then in the preview, there's your home page and it's in blue. Just come out of that. There. So your home page is now blue because it is already the default color is that. So as I say, that is what you would do to get your menu on there. So you forget the video. When you're doing your bespoke video, for example, you just like sort of you put in whatever you want, the colors for that, and you know, so they work well together. Well, that's basically how you do it. The other thing I'll just show you, might have gone actually the list, and no, it hasn't. Yes, it has. Where's that gone to? See, this when you do it like in an HTML editor is so much easier than doing, I don't know where that's gone to. Even when you do like the search and that, and when you list on there, doesn't seem to want to bring it up. Any questions though on that? You know, as I say, it's a breeze doing it in HTML editors and things like that. On, you know, like, so for me it is anyway. If you're doing it in Bootstrap Studio, of course, you've got the great thing about that it's responsive. But yeah, it does fall down when you try to code things as well. But anyway, I hope you've learned something from that, because that's basically how you do them, how you put buttons and you autoplay. As I said, it's inadvisable on most occasions, but depending on what you want. Okay, so again, thanks for watching, thanks for listening.